Hey everyone, welcome back to Car Riz. Today we're diving into the highly anticipated Dacia Bigster set to hit the roads in 2025. This compact SUV promises to offer a blend of style, practicality, and affordability that's hard to resist. Let's explore what makes the Bigster a standout in the automotive world. First up, let's talk design. The Bigster boasts a bold and robust exterior with its distinctive Dacia styling. The sleek headlights and aggressive grille give it a commanding presence, while the high ground clearance hints at its off-road capabilities. With a length of about 46 meters, it strikes a balance between compact maneuverability and spaciousness. Inside, the Bigster doesn't skimp on comfort or technology. The cabin is designed with family needs in mind, offering ample legroom and cargo space. You'll find high-quality materials and a user-friendly layout, making it perfect for daily commutes or weekend getaways. The centerpiece is a large infotainment screen, supporting smartphone integration for seamless connectivity on the go. Now let's talk performance. The Bigster will come with a range of efficient engines, including both petrol and hybrid options. Dacia is focusing on fuel efficiency, so expect impressive mileage without sacrificing power. The SUV's lightweight design enhances its agility, making it a joy to drive in city, traffic, and on winding roads alike. When it comes to features, the Bigster is loaded. It includes advanced safety systems like lane keeping assist and automatic emergency braking, ensuring peace of mind for drivers and passengers. Plus, the spacious boot and versatile seating configurations make it an excellent choice for families or anyone needing extra storage. So what are the unique selling points of the Dacia Bigster? It's all about practicality, value for money, and that rugged charm. With a starting price that's expected to undercut many competitors, this SUV is shaping up to be a smart choice for budget-conscious buyers looking for style and substance. Thanks for tuning in. If you're as excited about the Dacia Bigster as we are, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the latest cars. Until next time, drive safe.